mastered the soft C sounds. Great job! Now it's time for some jazzy, giggly, jiggly fun with soft G sounds. Let's go! Introducing the skill. J, cage. G, magic. G, stingy. Words to read. Gem, gist, dingy, page. Sentences to read. Subtract the digits. The ice is frigid. Digest the hot dog. Ben is on the stage. Words to know. New C's. Awesome! We've got the basics down. So let's jump into the decodable passage and see our skills in action. Are you ready? Let's go! Jean's gigantic rabbit. Jean has a pet rabbit, Sage. Sage is huge, but his cage is small and dingy. I will get Sage a new cage with lots of space, says Jean. So Jean goes to the pet shop. On the shelf, he sees all kinds of cages. Then, as if by magic, he sees a gigantic cage. This cage is a gem, says Jean. Sage will just love it. Finish that. Way to go. Feeling super proud. Here's your very own medal. You've earned it.